How's it going, y'all? Welcome to the MEATER channel. If you're smoking large cuts of meat for several hours, like a beef brisket, beef ribs, pork shoulder, you may get to a point where the internal temperature stops rising, even if you're cooking at a consistent temperature. This is the stall. Essentially, the heat from your cooker is evaporating all the moisture from the meat. And just like me in the sauna, the meat is sweating and cooling the surface. When the meat surface gets dry enough where there's no more evaporative cooling, the internal temperature will pick back up and rise. This is where MEATER can really help you with your barbecuing. Instead of constantly opening your smoker or your grill to check your meat, you can monitor the internal and ambient temps right in the app. This way, you don't lose all that valuable heat, which would drag out your cook. When you've hit the stall, be patient and wait it out. We like to let the fat and connective tissue break down and spread throughout the meat, giving us the juiciest results. If you need to save time, some people like to bump up the heat or wrap the meat and pop it back in to cook. This all depends on your experience, your preference, or your situation. If you're going to wrap the meat, make sure you either wrap around the probe or poke a hole through for the ambient end to stay Bluetooth connected. We also recommend using butcher paper. It's difficult to predict when and how long the stall will last for a variety of reasons. The fat and collagen content of the meat, the size of the cut, the design of your smoker, if you mop, spritz, or use a water pan, all of these will affect how much moisture is evaporated and how long it takes to evaporate. Because of this, the app's current cook estimator does not account for the stall. However, you'll be able to know when it's happening when you see the internal temperature plateau so you can plan your cook accordingly. We've also increased the temperature resolution in the latest MEATER probe, so you'll be able to see the internal temperature to tenths of a degree, giving you peace of mind that there's a rise in temperature, though it may be extremely slow. And now you know, because science. For more Prono videos, subscribe to this channel, follow us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, MySpace. I'm stalling. Check us out on MEATER.com. Happy fooding, everyone.